our business model. The existing public healthcare infrastructure in India is not sufficient to meet the needs of the burgeoning population. The central and state government do offer universal healthcare services, free treatment and essential drugs at government hospitals, but the hospitals are understaffed and underfinanced, forcing patients to visit private medical practitioners and hospitals, consequently leading to high out-of-pocket expenditure. Our business model primarily focuses on the need to establish a Garhwal Swasthya Kendra in a small rural community and provide a strategical solution to needs of rural area where doctors, medicines, other required resources are lacking. This becomes more relevant in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. Garhwal Swasthya Kendra will be a place at Podi Garhwal will basically promote naturopathy, homeopathic, Ayurvedic, etc. Unlike from allopathy, it will have different perspective of treating people and make them closer to nature. It will also promote yoga. The initial objective for the rural health clinics are as follows: to create a medical facility that will meet the needs of the local community of primary care, to provide high quality care to the patients we serve, to improve the health outcomes of the patients we serve, to achieve and exceed quality measures as prescribed. Future growth prospect for rural health clinic. It includes maintain high quality, low cost care, to create a medical facility that will meet the need of the local community for special care, increase market share for the organization and creation of yoga facilities. Infrastructure. It will be situated in a barren land of a rural area where there is no agriculture. As the main motive of Garhwal Swasthya Kendra is to cure people by living close to nature, the infrastructure would be made on the concept of living in a mud house with all facilities. Capital and land requirement. To build this huge Garhwal Swasthya Kendra, large land is required. 1 acre barren land can be used to make mud houses, artificial lake, gardens, yoga auditorium and naturopathy clinic. If we talk about money required, then our company would pay a good amount to the landowners, and in the construction there will be only labor cost because all the resources can be used from the rural areas. Benefits to local people. The local people would get a good price for their unused land. They can continue to do agriculture in their field. Our Garhwal Swasthya Kendra would set up a canteen and a mess where the staying people would enjoy the local famous dishes, and people of the rural area could earn a lot of money they expected. A large portion of youth of rural area goes to urban area for job related matters. But after seeing this yogagram, it could increase the employment rate in rural area. People interested to work in the Garhwal Swasthya Kendra can get training if they wish to continue with us. After the training period is over, the candidate will be suitable to work with us and we will pay them well. We will basically divide the living in 3 categories. Category 1, in this category, people have access to live in a simple mud house. They will have all the basic needs like beds, simple food, etc. The price for this category is just 5,000 per day. The facilities are, in this category, we will provide mud bath, give them traditional Pahadi food. Category 2. In this category, people will also live in the same mud house and some extra facilities. They have access to choose whichever food they want. In this category, we will give a full tour of the yogagram. Also, we will try to give a tour of nearby areas. The price of this category would be 7,000 per day. Category 2 facilities. People will have mud bath as well as steam bath facilities. They also have option to choose various traditional Pahadi meals. Category 3. In this category, the person will get all the facilities. They also will have the liberty to choose whichever food they want. Also, they will be able to enjoy the adventure sports, which is situated just 2 km from the yogagram. The price for this category would be 10,000 per day. Category 3 facilities. They will be provided with all the facilities in the category 1 and 2. Besides having these facilities, they will also be provided with adventure sports. But what makes it different? Mud houses will be situated at some distance so that people after exploring things have to come back by walking with them. Also, we will be having cycles. People who don't want to walk can use cycles for going anywhere in the yogagram. This concept is very much unique and can also attract foreign people in large quantity too. Financial projection. The rural health clinic has a positive financial projection in the first year of 50% profit margin after tax. Based on the financial analysis exercise performed as a part of this plan, the startup costs of the clinic are relatively less expensive due to the low cost of faculty as well as the reasonable salary for nurse practitioners. Future growth prospect. Agriculture is the main source of occupation of the people of rural areas. With the implementation of this business model, the casual worker of the village can be employed, thus improving their standard of living. Therefore, the business model may prove to be a game changer. The healthcare business model will also reduce the migration of rural population who migrate to urban in search of primary and special healthcare employment needs. This will also not only improve the quality of life but also improve economically. The healthcare business model also serves to communities living nearby. In case the specialist need to observe the patient, homestay facilities will also be developed in the village where healthcare facility is situated. Further growth prospect for the Garhwal Swasthya Kendra includes maintain high quality, low cost care to create a medical facility that will meet the needs of the local community for the special care, increase market share for the organization and creation of yoga faculty. Our social media handles. We will be available on all the social media sites with the name of Garhwal Swasthya Kendra. Thank you.